Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I have been working with someone, and I will call him Tim for the purpose of this video. Because of his medical situations, he could not consume too much cooking oil. He loves chicken, but stir-fried chicken might contain too much oil for his purpose. So here I take a video of how to boil chicken in water but still retain great flavor. So I start out by boiling some water in my Imusa 14-inch light cast iron wok. I place the chicken in my spider strainer. This is very useful because it gives me better control of how long I want to cook the chicken. In many ways, this is very similar when you cook chicken in a hot pot. In this case, the basket that you use to put the chicken in is much smaller. I cook this chicken in advance with approximately half tablespoon of cornstarch. Cooking the chicken this way in hot water that has been coated with cornstarch is also known as velveting the chicken. It is a very popular technique used in Chinese cooking, particularly in restaurants. The chicken cooked rapidly usually takes only about a minute. You definitely need a strainer because otherwise you will have to look for the chicken in the boiling water. As you notice here, I use a pair of chopsticks constantly turning the chicken to make sure everything is being cooked evenly. So okay, by now the chicken is almost done. You definitely do not want to undercook the chicken, but at the same time you do not want to overcook them either. If you want to make sure, you can always do a taste test to make sure that the chicken is well cooked. So I separate the chickens into two batches. I leave another batch which I'm going to cook it the same way, but this batch has not been coated with cornstarch. This way we can compare the differences between the two. If you want to cook a larger bunch of chickens, you probably need a larger strainer. And this is what makes this cooking system so flexible. In my advanced prepping for chicken, I always cut up the chickens after I bring them home from the supermarket. I would then freeze the chickens in 8-ounce portions in the sandwich Ziploc bags. So therefore, any time when I want to cook chicken, I can have chicken ready, thawed out to go in about 10 minutes in a bowl of warm water. So as you can see, this prepped chicken could be used in many different ways, all the way from stir frying to boiling them in water. So this is a demonstration of the application of my fast cooking system, where flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking make your cooking much simpler and efficient. So okay, now this chicken is done, so let's do a comparison. This batch has been coated with cornstarch. The surface of the chicken is smooth and soft, and the inside of the chicken is moist and tender. When you bite into the chicken, it is not stringy at all. So next here is the chicken that has not been coated with cornstarch. The exterior of the chicken pieces is a little bit rough. When you bite into the chicken, you feel that it's a touch stringy. It is not bad at all, but when you compare that with the chicken that has been coated with cornstarch, I can definitely detect the difference between the two, and I'm sure you probably would as well. So here I provide you another way how you could cook your chicken. For Tim, this is an important method because this way he can reduce his cooking oil consumption. This chicken turned out to be very flavorful, and they will work very well when you put them in a salad. So I would recommend you to give it a try because you will add another tool to your template repertoire. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.